Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is a video of a bar find 1940s tractor that I rescued from a backyard. This tractor was parked here about 30 years ago, and you can see the trees have already grown into it. It was, to my surprise, a very complete tractor. All around, you can see how buried the wheels were here. So we have to dig up the tires so we can start moving. But you can see it's a pretty complete tractor, but it was already buried. So we have to dig first to take it out. So here's after we dig, we went around and check and tried to just unblock everything so we could pull the tractor out. But it's pretty original and pretty complete. You can see here all the instruments, the seat, steering wheel. I checked the oil and the oil was in very good condition, so I'm really excited about this one. Well, right now we're gonna start pulling it out, taking out the trees. No citrus trees were damaged in the process. We did our best, but it's just a beautiful tractor. And here I am, driving it for the first time in 30 years. Obviously we're pulling it with a winch, but let's go. And it's moving. Now I need to move it to the other side. The guy that is helping me is telling me to move to the other side. And here's where I was afraid because we don't know if the brakes were gonna work, but they work. And they work really good. So you can see I'm here before we pull it in the trailer. I'm going around so you can see it better. It's such a complete tractor. There is more pieces in the floor that we're gonna pick it up. But here's a walkthrough and you can see it's very complete. It's a 1940s Ford tractor in a really good shape. Obviously needs restoration, but it was in this place parked about 30 years ago, and today we dig it out. It was a true bar find, and it's just an amazing piece of history, and hopefully it's gonna get restored very soon.